what I'm actually going to do is to change the grid lines into triplets. So what we've suddenly got now is a pattern that, rather than being sort of broken down into 4 spaces per quarter note, what we've instead got is 6 spaces, triplets in other words. And you can see that the swing E variable has effectively moved each of these notes onto a triplet. So rather than the feel now being a kind of late 16th note, it's become a sort of rolling triplet sort of 16th note instead. So what we've just seen is that with a value of 16th notes, but with a swing E sort of variant, what we get is triplets. In other words, we've got the same feel that we would get if we push notes far enough along the timeline that they go from feeling like a sort of straight 16th note to something that feels like it's using a triplet figure instead.